I have 4 pieces of scrap wood. The tallest one is 5 inches and the 2 shorter ones are 3 inches. I painted all of them using some Wise Owl chocolate, and I hit all sides except for the back. And I went through each piece and covered them with a base layer. Once that was dry, I took some Snow Owl and I'm just dry brushing on top of the chocolate, meaning I'm not giving full coverage. I want my paintbrush to be on the drier side. And if you don't like this distressed look, you can just pick a solid color. I have a heart here. I'm using Wise Owl Republic Red. I am mixing in a little bit of white to give it more of a pink tone. I'm going to put all of my blocks together. I'm gluing them together on the side using hot glue. I'm putting my 2 smaller pieces of wood on the ends, the taller one on the left side and the shorter one on the right side, sandwiched between the 2 shortest pieces. I have some wood beads I'm going to put on top of those for a head. Now, because we all have different size families, you will add as many pieces of wood as you need to or take away. Once I have them all glued together, I'm just going to take a piece of jute and wrap it around about 4 or 5 times, kind of making an X motion so that the jute is not just going straight across. I'm going to take the heart and glue that right in the center. Now, I wanted the bottom to meet the tip of the heart, so I did cut some extra off. I could have left it, but I wanted to fit one of these transfers from the Dollar Tree above the family. So I got this wood house from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue my family to the center of the house. And then I have this transfer that was also from the Dollar Tree. It had different sayings, and I took the one that says family is everything. And I'm going to place the family on the top left side. Once you lay it down, you're going to take a popsicle stick and just lightly rub over the clear part of the transfer, and as you rub, it will adhere to your surface and that clear sheet will lift. And then I'm going to put is everything below that, more to the right side. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just rubbing it with the popsicle stick and then lifting that clear sheet. I took a bow with some greenery and I'm just going to place it in the top right to the family. Just for some detail, you can leave this off if you prefer it off. And I think this came out really cute. I hope you enjoyed this. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, and wood cutouts can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.